The mentors were really, they were always very punctual when it came to taking classes. Even with the most serious doubts that I used to ask, they'll still help me no matter how many times. And that's the main reason I completed this course successfully, because of these mentors and the faculty.
Hello, welcome to Clini Launch. Myself Amaya. Today we have a student with us, so let's know more about her.
Hi. So, hello, I'm Naurin Abba. I recently graduated from Manipal as a biotech graduate, and I just wanted to explore clinical research as a field and what happens, what goes behind it, and all that. So, I came across Clini Launch course and I joined as an advanced diploma clinical research graduate. I completed it in 2024, and yeah, that's all about me.
So, what inspired you to choose Clini Launch?
The main reason I chose Clini Launch is I've heard different people coming up to me and telling that they have a varied course structure, and the mentors are also really they have hands-on experience, and they're very good when it comes to explaining, and they also give hands-on experience. So things like that made me choose Clini Launch.
Okay. Can you walk us through your learning journey with us?
Okay, so I mostly preferred online, so that it was flexible for me to explore different internships and as well as hobbies. The mentors were really, they were always very punctual when it came to taking classes, and even if I had any doubts to clear, they always helped me. Even with the most serious doubts that I used to ask, they'll still help me no matter how many times. So that's very important when you are a beginner when it comes to any course. So yeah, that.
In what way are mentors and supporting help you in building skills?
Okay. So the mentors, especially the mentors, they dedicated their time individually for solving doubts. And then they also encouraged me, where I there were tests, there were tests during our online sessions. So whenever I used to get average marks, they used to motivate me to do better always. They never put me down, and that's the main reason I completed this course successfully, because of these mentors and the faculty.
Looking back at your overall experience, is there any feedback or suggestions you would like to share with us?
Yes, I would like to share a feedback. That to a very genuine one, especially after the course got over. Shweta, Priyanka, and there's Vamshi sir as well. He's constantly helped me, give me placement suggestions. Priyanka has also, had a proper review about my resume and given me job specific roles related to my course that I've done. Shweta also has always provided me support and help since 8 months. I got into Cliniera because of her. I did an 8 months full-fledged internship because of her. Otherwise I wouldn't have reached that position, and it's really hard to get a job right now in this field. And because of Shweta, Priyanka, and Vamshi sir is why I got it, and especially because of Clini Launch. So I am really grateful for the three of them and Clini Launch. So suggestions as such, I think they should include more courses that is going to come up in the future, so that they stand out with other institutions as well. And I would like to join another course. Suggestions as such, I do not have a bad feedback, because I have got a good review from them. They have helped me sufficiently, more than that I wanted. So
Is actually we're gonna add those things. We are working on it.
okay, done.
Finally, what message you would like to share with the upcoming students?
Okay, the message that I would like to share with the upcoming back students is that dedicate your time specifically for the course, and you have paid, right? So make sure you take full advantage of it. Ask specific doubts that you have with the mentors, because they will surely dedicate their time for clearing your doubts. And make sure that you take before applying for your job, ask whoever your mentors are for placement interview questions and things like that. It is very helpful and very important even for your future. Keep yourself as updated as possible like me myself, I'm going to join another course here itself in Clini Lodge, the one that they have told that they have updated their courses. So I am trying to keep myself as updated as possible. So it's very important in this, scenario, job-based scenario. So yeah, that's all.
So thank you. We really appreciate your efforts that you came all over from Kamanahalli and you've given suggestion and feedback. Thank you.